Now, let's make Hello Kitty's legs. We need to make 2 in total. Take out the white yarn. Since the white yarn makes the stitches hard to see, we will use yarn in another color to demonstrate here. The stitch methods are exactly the same. First, hold the yarn. Wrap it once around your pinky finger. Pass the yarn through your palm, between your middle finger and index finger. Hang the yarn on your index finger. Pull the yarn to stretch it a bit. Next, wrap the yarn once around your middle finger. Pinch the spot where the yarn crosses with your thumb and middle finger. Take out the crochet hook. Insert the crochet hook through the loop on your middle finger. Turn the hook tip toward the working yarn. Touch the working yarn. Pull the yarn through the loop on your middle finger. Rotate the hook tip toward you. A magic ring is made. Next, crochet a chain stitch. Yarn over your crochet hook and pull through the loop on the hook. That is a chain stitch. The chain stitch acts as a standing stitch to raise the height. It is not counted toward the total stitch count. Now let's start the first round. When making the magic ring, you have already made 1 chain stitch. Now, crochet 6 single crochet. Insert your hook through both strands of the magic ring. Yarn over the crochet hook. Pull the yarn through both strands of the magic ring. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. First single crochet is completed. Take out the stitch marker. Use it to mark the first stitch. For the second single crochet, insert your hook through both strands of the magic ring. Yarn over your crochet hook and pull the yarn through the 2 strands of the magic ring. Your crochet hook now has 2 loops on it. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through both loops on your hook. The second single crochet is done. From the side, you'll see the V shapes. For the third single crochet, insert your crochet hook through the 2 strands of the magic ring. Yarn over your crochet hook and pull through. There are 2 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. The third single crochet is done. The fourth single crochet. Now, the 5th single crochet. A 6th single crochet. Six single crochet are done. Pull the yarn tail, which is the shorter end. This can tighten the magic ring. Keep pulling until there is no gap in the center. Finally end with a slip stitch. Remove the stitch marker. Insert your hook into the first stitch. That is the spot marked by the stitch marker. Yarn over your hook and pull through the stitch. Continue pulling the yarn through the existing loop on the crochet hook. The slip stitch is completed. Here, the slip stitch joins the beginning and end. It is not counted toward the total stitch count. Pull the loop upwards. Tighten the slip stitch. This helps avoid it being mistaken as a regular stitch. The first round is done. Now, let's move on to the second round. Lift your index finger. Adjust the loop so it moves freely on your hook. First, crochet a chain stitch. Yarn over with the crochet hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. This chain stitch works as a standing stitch. It can raise the height. It is not counted toward the total stitch count. Then crochet 6 increased stitches. An increased stitch means crocheting to single crochet into one stitch. There are 12 stitches in total. First, crochet the first single crochet. Insert your hook into the first stitch. That is the stitch where you just made the slip stitch. Yarn over your crochet hook and pull the yarn through the stitch. There are 2 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over your crochet hook and pull the yarn through the 2 loops on the hook. Next, crochet 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. The first increased stitch is completed. Second increased stitch. Crochet 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. The third increased stitch. The fourth increased stitch. The fifth increased stitch. The sixth increased stitch. All 6 single crochet increases are completed. Make a slip stitch. Remove the stitch marker. Insert the crochet hook through the first stitch. Yarn over your crochet hook and pull the yarn through the stitch. Continue pulling the yarn through the existing loop on the crochet hook. The slip stitch is completed. Pull the loop up. Tighten the slip stitch. This prevents it from being mistaken as a regular stitch. The second round is finished. There are 12 stitches in total. Now, let's start the third round. Tighten the loop. Let the loop move freely on your crochet hook. First, crochet 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 1 single crochet and 1 increased stitch as a sequence. Repeat this sequence 6 times. There will be a total of 18 stitches. For the first sequence, start by crocheting 1 single crochet. Then crochet 1 increased stitch. The first sequence is completed. The second sequence. First, crochet 1 single crochet. Then crochet 1 increase stitch. The second sequence of crochet is completed. Here, we crochet the sequences as a demonstration. For the remaining 4 sequences, please crochet them yourself using the same method. All 6 sequences are done. Crochet 1 slip stitch. Remove the stitch marker. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Yarn over your crochet hook and pull the yarn through the stitch. Then continue to pull the yarn through the original loop on your hook. Pull the loop up. Tighten the slip stitch. The third round is completed. There are a total of 18 stitches. Now let's start round 4. First, tighten the loop. Then crochet a chain stitch. Then crochet 5 single crochet followed by 1 increase as a sequence. Repeat this sequence 3 times. We will have a total of 21 stitches. First, crochet 5 single crochet, the first one. The second one. The third one. The fourth stitch. The fifth one. Then crochet 1 increase stitch. The first sequence is finished. Here, we crochet 1 sequence as a demonstration. For the remaining 2 sequences, please crochet them yourself using the same method. 3 sequences are done. Make 1 slip stitch. Round 4 is completed. There are a total of 21 stitches. Next, rounds 5 and 6 are worked the same way. Now, let's start round 5. First, tighten the loop. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 21 single crochet. That means making 1 single crochet in each stitch. The first one. The second one. The third one. The fourth stitch. The methods for crocheting single crochet are the same. We will speed up the demonstration. All 21 single crochet are completed. Crochet 1 slip stitch. Round 5 is completed. There are a total of 21 stitches. For round 6, please crochet it yourself using the same method. The 6th round of crochet is completed. Everyone, please count carefully. There are a total of 21 stitches. Now, let's make round 7. You need to switch to the light pink yarn. Take out the light pink yarn and place it on your hand. Wrap it once around your pinky finger. Pass the yarn through your palm, between your middle finger and index finger. Hang the yarn on your index finger, and pinch it with your thumb and middle finger. Place the yarn tail and the white working yarn together behind the fabric. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Pull both yarns to tighten them. The yarn tail needs to be tucked inside the fabric. Pinch these two yarns with your middle finger and thumb. Then 5 single crochet followed by 1 decrease stitch make 1 sequence. Repeat this sequence 3 times. We will have a total of 18 stitches. First, crochet 5 single crochet. Place both yarns onto the crochet hook. A second one. A third one. The fourth one. We don't need to put the yarn on the crochet hook now. The fifth one. Next, crochet a decrease stitch. A decrease stitch means combining 2 stitches into one. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 adjacent stitches. Yarn over the crochet hook, and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops on hook. There are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over again. Pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. The first sequence is finished. Here we crochet 1 sequence as a demonstration. For the remaining 2 sequences, you can crochet them yourself using the same method. 3 sequences are completed. Crochet 1 slip stitch. Round 7 is finished. There are 18 stitches in total. Now, let's work on round 8. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 10 single crochet. The first one. The second one. The third one. The fourth stitch. The fifth one. The sixth stitch. The seventh one. The eighth one. The ninth one. The 10th one. Next, you need to skip 8 stitches. That means we will not crochet the next 8 stitches. Everyone, count with me. There are only 10 stitches crocheted here. 1, 10. The 8th round is now completed. Now, let's start round 9. First, crochet 1 chain stitch. Now, flip the fabric. Turn to the other side. Tuck the yarn tail inside the fabric. Crochet 10 single crochet. The first one. The second one. The third one. The fourth stitch. The fifth one. The sixth stitch. The seventh one. The eighth one. The ninth one. Then, the 10th stitch. First, remove the stitch marker. The 9th round is completed. Everyone, pay close attention and count. There are 10 stitches here. Next, leave a long yarn tail. Then, cut the yarn. Use your crochet hook to pull the yarn through. The yarn tail here is used for sewing later. One leg is finished. Please crochet the other leg on your own using the same method.